When I talk about precision with the PreciPan, one of the other things that I can use is multi-zone cooking. That's what I'm going to be using to make the patty melt. I'm going to do the bread at a lower temperature, and I'm going to do the searing of the burgers on the other side of the pan at a higher temperature. So let's get started. So with that timer, I know it's time to flip my burger patties. I'm gonna put one patty down on top of all of my onions. I'm gonna take my bread, now it's beautifully golden brown and toasted. Now I'm gonna start my 1 minute and 30-second timer to let the cheese and the burger and the onions all melt together and end up with a perfect patty melt.